academic school lo kabangma students rok ni kabangma zoom je ni hook khai chanai rok kabangma tong aro hook khai chanai ni charai rok kabangma charai rok ma poriya boro elementary education portion complete ma khai ko jita compulsory chini anko right to education act 2009 ni mutabik bachin Tipra sar kabangma te student tong je boro elementary education complete ma khaya kabangma reason aban bichinga parents rok khashia parents rok saimia sipsia boro ni jeba porashona sia boro earning go si bizinga bor bage khaina ba aboni bagin am te government school of form khai jago fia government school teacher tam khai hinke boro kaise prescribe room ni excuses ro no we don't have sufficient room so chung kemno bo rimeya tam naini ne admission rimeya aboni bagin chin kabang Tipra sa charai ro elementary education complete ma khaya hostels tongoro but borno hostels rizagya capacity gripo school hostel le sabuni bagi sinamba a backward level students rong ni bagi no sinamna bole a je village je parents rok kuno mane asle backward area wo chin kamau news reporter saima na bo backward area parents ro zoom cultivate khaija wo thugo khaija bor time kare charai no cycle le beklang school tune de ni gari kare bikes kare kun phana kare amon bagi hostels nam jago schools nam jago fia Chinioro ni belaino tam sanai government employee ro je rizago ro school teacher hisabe je school in charge je rizago boro abono property hake want to kiwo no we don't have sufficient seat so we cannot give admission to anyone amte hise borong attitude
kai tabu je na o kok sanage sabo
no in charge headmaster ang obon yagulo director of education bobai kok salai nai te nai tamang admission to just kan mar nai charai ni elementary education completing ya ngi tongo aba samni responsibility ba of course government ba tongo moreover of the public employee ro hambai